Hi friends, welcome to Harmony Hills Home and Garden. I'm Jenny and we live and garden here in Baltimore, Maryland, Zone 7. Today's video is all about planting some of the things that are in my plant stash. I've already put in the clay era that you see here in the back. And so today's project is to put in these Soft Touch Hollies, 3 of them, and then these 2 Blue Star Junipers. Come along with me and let's get these projects underway. So for some reason, I don't have video of this project. All I have are some still photos of me actually doing the work. So I'm reusing some old video showing these plants. I hope that you can understand and give me a little bit of forgiveness on this one. Anyway, these Soft Touch Hollies are hardy in zones 6 through 9, and they are low and round. So they'll only get to be 2 or 3 feet tall and roughly 2 or 3 feet wide. They want to be in full to part sun, and they're otherwise easy to care for. You can just take a pruner to them every once in a while and keep them in shape. And the Blue Star is also very easy care. It's hardy in zones 4 through 8, and it's roughly the same size as the Soft Touches, a little bit wider though. This one will go 2 to 3 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide. It stays in a nice low growing mound. It wants to be in full sun and it grows pretty slowly, so you really don't have to do much to it at all to take care of it. Can you see the Soft Touch Hollies that are dotted across the front foundation? I'll give you a second to spot them. Yep, there they are. I put these in last fall in an effort to try to bring some repetition and pattern across the front of the foundation, since everything else was kind of more random. And I think I need to keep going, and so I bought some more of these Soft Touch Hollies, and I'm going to install them today, 2 on the left side and 1 on the right. And here we go. The pots are sitting roughly where I'm going to put them. I tried to approximately keep them evenly spaced across the front of the house. There's nothing new or revolutionary about my planting method. I just dug my hole, same depth as the pot and about twice as wide as the pot is. I put in some starter fertilizer and I put in some compost, and then I put in the root bulk, and then I backfilled with a combination of compost and native soil. And that's just about it. There it is, looking pretty good in its new home right up against the new stepping stone path. And there's the second one done. You can see that messy mess from the lasagna garden attempt. It's just quite a hot mess right there. Sorry about that. And over on the other side of the house, I put one right down at the bottom of this picture here, right by that leucothui. And I'm trying to decide if I need another one over here. This one here is the one I just added. I don't think I need another one across here. What do you think? So on the left side here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them across the front. And on the right side, I only have 4, but I really don't think I need to add a 5th one over there. See, because I think this flower bed is shaped differently. If I tried to put a 5th one over there, it would already be around the bend on the corner of the flower bed. So yeah, I don't think so. The next project is to get rid of these Dwarf Alberta Spruces that are so misshapen on either side of the sidewalk. They look kind of okay from one angle, but as soon as you look at them from another angle, you can see that they are missing their tops and there are big holes on the sides of both of them. Some of this is deer damage, others of it is snow damage. In the end, they're not going to be salvageable. So I'm just going to take them out, using my loppers to take all the branches off of the trunk. And then the only thing I have left here is the trunk then, and I can just dig that out with a shovel. Pretty easy. The soil here isn't terrible, so I'm just going to add some Biotone starter fertilizer, and then I'm going to plant my Blue Star Juniper that I picked up recently. It's a similar texture to the old Dwarf Alberta Spruces, but it's a different color. It's got that glorious blue color on it. And this one will stay rounded, and so I don't need another pyramid shape because of the lemon thread cypress that's right here. So having it a round shrub, like the dwarfs were, is a really good idea. So I'm taking out the one on the other side of the sidewalk too, and pretty soon, ta-da, 2 Blue Star Junipers in place of the old Dwarf Alberta Spruces. And now I've got the green of the Soft Touch Hollies, the blue of the Blue Star Junipers, the yellow of the lemon thread cypress, the red of the knockout roses and the orange rocket barberry, and the green of the Taylor junipers, plus all the perennials and other plants to come. This is a very colorful and interesting looking space now, and it will only improve as time goes by and these blue stars grow. Okay, moving on to the next project. While I've got my tools out, let's get rid of this skip laurel too. This is the one that I transplanted from the side yard into the front yard last year, and it just didn't take to this new spot. So I got the loppers out, I got the shovel out, away it goes. And while I'm over here, I got to looking at this Eastern Snowball Viburnum, and I eventually want this to be in the shape of a small tree, so no leaves or branches near the ground. So I got in there with my pruners, and I just cleaned out some of the leaves nearest to the ground and got some of those branches out. And I think it looks a little bit better. Okay, friends, well that's about it. Just a couple of shrub projects today. Sorry I don't have a full-on video for this project. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't get all the stuff out that I need to make videos with. So anyway, I wanted you to be aware of this progress and help me celebrate the fact that it's time to plant. Woohoo! I hope you're all having a wonderful spring wherever you are, or if you're down under, I hope you're having a wonderful autumn. And I wish you well in your gardens, and I'll see you again in another video real soon, friends. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.